We employ several massage therapists. We have Jason and Mary and Charlene and Joan and Jennifer, and they are very skilled massage therapists, and I believe that when you couple massage therapy with the manipulation, you get a much better end product for the patient. When you make an adjustment to the spine, the adjustment itself is in fact a trauma. It is a necessary trauma, just like surgery is a trauma. It is necessary to correct the problem. But if you can add massage therapy with that adjustment, you calm down some of the possible pain and inflammation responses. My therapists are highly trained in deep tissue massage, myofascial work, lymph drainage. None of those are actually taught in massage school to any extent whatsoever. So they have come here and I've personally shown them several things and personally trained them in several areas. They're also very skilled in explaining exercise programs to you and stretching programs to you. So I'm a firm believer that these massage therapists are a crucial part of this practice. And as I say, when we combine massage therapy with the chiropractic treatment and some physical therapy if necessary, the patient's going to benefit, and it's going to shorten the amount of visits you need to be here. I'm about getting you better as fast as I can, no offense, so that you can go out and tell somebody else about me. This massage therapy is not what you think of when you go to a massage parlor. This massage therapy is medical massage. We may have them focus only on one area and not massage the entire body. If you have a shoulder problem, they're going to work on the shoulder, the mid-back, and the neck, and everything that is involved, possibly some in the front of the shoulder, the pectoralis area, the posterior portion of the shoulder, and work on your injury in specific modes. You have to understand, when you've injured an area in the body, a soft tissue area in the body, scar tissue does not come in and just line up real nice and neatly with the muscles and heal you. What scar tissue comes in, if my hand is a muscle is linear, okay, striated. When scar tissue comes in, it comes in like a mat of fiberglass. All of the cross fibers are going to restrict your motion, restrict your healing, and cause inflammation. They break up the cross fibers so that the only scar tissue left is lined up with that muscle tissue, thus allowing the optimal strength and mobility. It is an exceptional science, and I do not believe it's looked at as professionally as it should be because of some of the massage parlors, so on and so forth out there. But this is medical massage, and they do an extremely good job with it. In addition, if you are injured in an automobile accident or in a work comp accident, or even just at home, and you have a problem with transportation, Foundation Chiropractic does have means by which we can provide you transportation to and from the office. We have a very courteous driver and a very clean van that can pick you up when the times are set right and bring you back home. So you should never let the fact that you're unable to get into the office because you don't have transportation hold you up from getting proper health care.